think they need to spend months creating a course, writing an ebook, or building some huge business before they can make $1. But that's not how I started. And honestly, it's not what will get you results. Today, I want to show you 3 different ways this works, because most people only know about one of them. One of these paths may completely change your life. If we haven't met yet, my name is Arturo. I'm 61 years old, married for 42 years, and I'm happily spending my free time with family, including 3 grandchildren. I have little tech skills and a slight marketing background, a small social media following on my Art My Agent Instagram account, and no paid ads. I thought online income was for other people, but after lots of research, I figured it out. And now I have slow mornings, time with my grandkids, and the freedom I always wanted. So let's start with the first path. The first option is creating your own digital product. And here's what I need you to hear. You don't need to be a world expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of someone else. Think about things you already know how to do: meal prepping on a budget, using Canva, organizing finances, training a dog, stretching groceries during inflation. People are searching for solutions every day. You can package your knowledge into a guide, a checklist, a workshop, or a video course. And the best part, there's no inventory, no shipping, and no warehouse. People buy it instantly online. But here's what's changed recently. People don't pay for information anymore. Information is everywhere. They pay for connections, support, experiences, and transformation. AI can give you information, but AI cannot give you a story, your personality, or your encouragement. That human connection is what people are really buying today. Now let's talk about the second path, affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend someone else's product and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. It's basically word of mouth marketing online. You already do this in real life, I know I do, when you recommend a restaurant, a coffee shop, or a product you love. The difference is now you can get paid for it. There are 2 kinds of affiliate products. Physical products like Amazon items, which usually pay smaller commissions, and digital products which often pay 30, 40, even 60% commissions because there's no manufacturing or shipping cost. For example, I bought a course that taught video editing. Genuinely love it, and I use it in my own content. I actually used it on this video. People started asking me how I made my videos, so I shared the course link, and I earned commissions, naturally, because I was already using and loving this product. That's the best kind of affiliate marketing: authentic, simple, and helpful. Now, affiliate marketing is great, but personally, I wouldn't build my entire business around only that. Which brings me to the third path, the one that changed everything for me: Master Resell Rights. Now, before anyone panics in the comments, no, it's not MLM or a pyramid scheme. Here's how it works. You purchase a digital educational program, and along with learning the material, you receive the legal rights to resell that same product and keep 100% of the profits. Not a commission, not a percentage, the full sale. For me, this was powerful because I needed 2 things. I needed to learn digital marketing, and I needed something I could start earning from while learning. This gave me both. The program taught me email marketing, social media automation, branding, digital products, and it came with systems already built out. That mattered because I am not techie. I didn't have to build everything from scratch. I could focus on learning, applying, and growing. And honestly, the biggest thing I learned wasn't just the product itself, it was marketing. because no matter what you sell online, your own product, affiliate products, or resale rights, if nobody sees it, nobody buys it. Learning how to create content builds trust and gets attention online. And that's the real skill that changes everything. So here's the big takeaway from this video. If you do not need to have everything figured out before you start, you don't need to be an expert. You don't need to create something from scratch. You don't need a huge audience. There are 3 real paths. Create your own product, promote someone else's product, sell a pre-built program with resale rights. All 3 can work. All 3 can generate income. I've done it. And you can start with one and grow into others over time. In the next video, I'm going to show you how something even more important, how to actually get eyeballs on your product and drive traffic online. Because without traffic, nothing sells. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss it. And if you want my free Freedom Blueprint, it's linked below. I'll see you in the next video, my friend. Make it a great day.